Good morning from another beautiful day at Port Orleans French Quarter. The time is, hand saws, 9:01. Off to go get some breakfast. We are heading to Animal Kingdom today. Very upset, I got burnt at Typhoon Lagoon yesterday, so I can't wear my Animal Kingdom top because it's a vest, but the shorts are up, so it's fine. Yeah, we have experience, I think they're called, booked. It is Up Close With Rhinos. Squirrel. Up Close With Rhinos, that's booked at 11. It was one of the cheaper excursions, I can't remember, it was like $40 or $60 per person. And Dexter's tall enough for it, so that's very exciting. So yeah, get some food and we'll see you at Animal Kingdom. Cheers, Janet. Wow, look at this. We're doing the Tree of Life garden walk, I think it's called, and it is amazing. Look at all of those. This is incredible. Oh, look. My gosh, it's amazing. See ants, squirrel, rhino up there, seahorse. Wow. Yeah, it's so cool, hey? So we have all checked in for our Up Close With Rhinos. The boys are just going to the toilet. Man, it is hot. So yeah, we can't film in Up Close With Rhinos. We can't take pictures or anything. It's all backstage. It's our long excursion, so yeah, I'm really excited, and hopefully we get to touch a rhino and hopefully get some aircon because toasty. Oh, apparently it's been a thunderstorm later though, so that might be nice. Forgot the ponchos. Hello from future / present day me. Just editing and realised we didn't actually explain what the Up Close With Rhinos experience was. So I'm sure anyone that's been to Disney World knows that you can do some excursions at Animal Kingdom. We would have loved to do the Trek one, but Dexter is too young, so that was written out. So we wanted to do something special. So Up Close With Rhinos, it's a small group. I can't remember, 11 or 14. There wasn't many of us. It's $49 per person for an hour-long experience. So you meet up with the cast members. You sign, I don't know, waiver and things. They take ID, and then you get led backstage. So there's no photos or videos because Disney rules. You can't take photos backstage, I guess because it ruins the magic. Anyway, the cast member led us backstage. We got into a little minibus and she drove us to the can't remember what they called them, but like the enclosures, I suppose, the indoor enclosures for the rhinos, where we met up with one of the keepers. Her name was Rain, and she talked to us about the rhinos and what they do there. I won't go into too much detail, I don't want to spoil it in case anyone wants to book, but how they care for them. Interacted really well with the group, encouraged questions. Dexter was all about the questions. He did ask a few, bless him. And then they walk us through to meet a rhino, and they show you about how they do the training and talk to you about the welfare, rhinos around the world and the different populations. And we were lucky enough to get to touch one of the rhinos, and it was amazing. We all got a little turn, and it was magical. It was brilliant. Like, when are we ever going to say that we've been able to scratch a rhino's butt? Like, never. And it was amazing. So if anyone's got any questions, by all means do ask. But yeah, it was wonderful. Like I say, it was just an hour. They did tell us that the $49 each goes straight to looking after the rhinos. So that was great, and it made it even more worthwhile. So yeah, highly recommend. It's not that expensive in the grand scheme of Disney prices. I mean, it's still money, but for Disney cost, it's not too bad. And yeah, it's brilliant. So go do it. Here's some photos that we were able to take afterwards. Get in there. That's looking good. Animal Kingdom and come to explore Animal Kingdom Lodge. So we've stopped off at Garni Village to start with. Get some bread. I think so. Oh yeah. 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 I don't know, we'll figure it out. Yeah. Get inside. They're excited. Wow. Looks pretty cool. Pretty cool. Wow. This is just wow. I love it. What do you think? Looks cool, hey? And you can see zebras and stuff from your room. Amazing. It's just beautiful. A minute. Can he have the phone back now? It's just... I love it.
What?
In a minute.
Some patient stuff for me.
Che sei pena. No, Give me something. No good. Give me something. Noggin. Bonk. Dude, bros. Dude, bros.
Rose.
Do 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 do.
Disney Bus Madness, eh?
Bruh.
Raw.
Bruh, 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 bruh. Dude. Brother. 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 Yeah, brother.
The wind is picking up. It'll be our first ever Florida storm. When we came in 2023, there was like a downpour for about 15 minutes. And that's all we've had. We've had a little sprinkling the other day. We've never had a storm. I'm a little bit excited. And my God, it needs it. It needs to cool down. This is right outside of our room. This is the garden view that we have. So over there, follow the yellow cup, orange cup, is where they do the marshmallows. And they do the movies under the stars here too. It's just so beautiful. And like, we stayed at Pop before and we loved it. That was more slap you around the face Disney, but this, I don't know, it's just, because it's so small, that helps. Everything's close by and it's just beautiful. There's no other way to describe it really. I mean, look at this. And then, woo, so there, our room's just there, and then the river's there, the boats are just around the corner, the food court is just there. What more can you want? Probably can't hear me. Windy. The weather, not me.
Oh, let me just.
Yummy.